In the name of God, most graceful, most merciful, the Sudanese Center for Sterilization of Horticultural Products exports, guaranteeing fulfillment of the international market's demand, inclusion of horticultural products within the list of exports. Concern with the products of the horticultural sector has grown for including them in the country's exports. This, of course, led to expansion of acreage of cultivation, which exceeded 135,000 fardans. The emphasis has been on mango and bananas producers. This provided mangoes and bananas with promising additions to the preferential properties as organic products that qualify them to fully meet the demands of the external markets. The takeoff. The challenge of thrusting the horticultural products among the export sector activities was at the point of takeoff in search for solutions. These solutions are conducive to meeting conditions of the agricultural quarantine, which will enable those products enter the international markets. The challenge uncovered the features and landmarks of the contact map with the external markets. This resulted in the establishment of the Sudanese Center for Horticultural Products Sterilization as a response to the exigent demand for those products. Mango fly resistance. The increasing demand for the Sudanese horticultural products has underscored an urgent need for establishing an institution capable of treatment of the mango fly. The mango fly was the main challenge barring fulfilling the agricultural quarantine specifications and ultimately blocking entry of those products into the external markets. This situation necessitated exertion of intensive efforts for provision of equipment and expertise for such an establishment. This has largely contributed to removing major obstacles before development of the horticultural sector and activation of all aspects of this sector. The establishment, overcoming the mango fly resistant challenge, necessitated designing of thermic treatment of certain specifications that is capable of operating all day an stellar septic chamber known as the sterilization chamber, where the process runs to reach the attached devices which include the sensors, humidity measurement device, and water outlet. Activities of the center. The center's ability to handle the resisting mango fly paved the way to finalize the various activities the center intends to accomplish. This made it a key to development of all operations related to production and exportation of horticultural products, thus removing all obstacles before expansion of the horticultural sector. The producing sectors have become remarkably active due to the warm welcome accredited to Sudanese products in the external markets. This brought about additional burdens which contributed to expansion of the center's activities in preparation and adjustment for developing a Sudanese specification capable of responding to the demands of the external markets. Organic bananas. The center has thus shown the need for development of production of the organic bananas. Production indices have shown that the annual rate has reached 1.2 million tons. Given the high demand for such a product, and for this reason, the center toured the production areas to urge producers into producing large quantities to meet the foreign demand and attain the desired level of foreign earnings from exporting organic bananas. The carrier. To meet the demands of the external market, the center looked for sustainable means for holding the horticultural exports. Here, the Turkish Airlines came forward as the partner for transporting these products to Istanbul, which was proposed to be a center from which the products would be distributed to the European markets. The response: the center is rated as the first of its kind in Africa and the Middle East. This is because it is specialized in sterilization and exportation of the horticultural products. To this end, it employs advanced technologies as it was established in line with European standards. The certificate it issues is acceptable since it meets the requirement of the agricultural quarantine, thus qualified the center for obtaining the Jordanian environment-friendly license. This enabled the Sudanese horticultural products to flow throughout the countries of the world. The said accreditation was a fruit of meetings of the Economic Council of the Arab League, besides communication with the UN Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO) and the Japanese Agency for International Cooperation (JICA). The horticultural products of the center are thus verified and guaranteed.